Hi there, my name is Cody Pine, a Product Training Manager here at JLG Industries. The ANSI A92.20 standards require that anyone who monitors and supervises MEWP operator performance on the job site must be supervisor trained. Supervisors of MEWP operators have a variety of responsibilities, including MEWP maintenance and ensuring that only authorized personnel are allowed to operate or occupy the MEWP. Supervisor training on JLG University is simple, easy, and efficient. Our MEWP supervisor training program is offered in a flexible online format. In as little as 2 hours, you can be trained in proper MEWP selection, potential hazards and avoidance, MEWP rules and regulations and standards, and the usage and storage of the manufacturer's operation manuals. After completing our MEWP supervisor training program, you will meet the requirements of the ANSI A92.20 standards for supervisor training. Additionally, you will receive a card that shows that you are fully qualified to supervise MEWPs on the job.